तो ये जब आया तो एक फोटो का पुराना जब
upper part of the memorial, due to the earthquake, it has been bifurcated through the wall and the floor. The southeast corner and southeastern side, some enormous crack is visible.
If you go inside the Victoria Memorial, you'll find up to 5 to 6 feet on the wall. It has become black. There are a lot of graffitis. Graffitis is one of the major problems. Everywhere there are scratches. And these are very soft plasters on the wall. They are all lime plasters. Once it is scratched, becomes black, there is no other way to do it except removal of this particular plaster. So that is one of the major reasons.